and Savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not feeling the best. I'm sorry for my voice, but I'm going to bring you some deals from the comfort of my bed. So these deals are deals that I have put together for you at Target this week. So the dates of these deals run from January the 14th until I believe the 21st. I think the 21st. Yes, January the 21st, I think. So please enjoy these deals, and like I said, I'm sorry for my voice. There's a printable breakdown in the description box, so you don't need to write any deals down. You can just pull it up on your phone if you're in the store, or you can print it off, whichever you prefer. If you're new here, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started on some great deals at Target. The first deal are on these travel size Kleenexes. These are the 3-pack pocket packs, 30 total tissues. They're 99 cents per pack. This $1 coupon on the Target app is attaching. So that $1 coupon is going to make that 3-pack of tissues totally free. The next deal is a great deal on diapers, and these are the big boxes of diapers. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up one box of the Huggies Little Movers, the big box at $45.99, and then another box of the Huggies Little Snugglers, also $45.99. Your total at the register is going to be $91.98. Now, there is a coupon for $6 off for the Huggies Little Movers and another coupon for the $6 off on the Huggies Little Snugglers. That's $12 in coupons that's going to come off at the register. In addition to that, there is a $1.50 coupon, but you need to make sure you're scanning and checking to make sure which one it applies to because it doesn't apply to all of them. So, with all that, that is going to be $13.50 in coupons. However, it gets even better than that because you are then going to submit your receipt to IBOTTA. There's an offer for just regular Huggies diapers for $5 back. Some people have it for $6 back, but I have it for $5. And then there's another IBOTTA offer for $6. That's $11 back from IBOTTA. The offer even gets better than that because when you buy two of the big boxes of Huggies diapers, you'll get back a $15 gift card to use on your next transaction. So you have the $6 coupon, the $6 coupon, the $1.50 coupon, the $5 and the $6 back from Ibotta, and then you'll get $15 for your next transaction in form of a gift card, which is going to make the diapers $52.48 or $26.24 a box. So you're saving about $20 per box when you get these big boxes of diapers. That is a great, great deal on these Huggies diapers. I recommend you picking these up. The next deal is on Swagbucks, and if you've never used the Swagbucks app, I highly recommend getting the app because there's so many high value deals on the Swagbucks app. There is a referral code in the description box, so you just click on that and you can sign up for it. And there's also videos on my channel about how to use Swagbucks if you've never used it. So what you're going to do is pick up the travel size Clorox wipes in the travel section. My travel section at my Target is over there near like the pharmacy. And these are 99 cents each. You're going to pick up 2 packs. Your total will be $1.98. Now, the way Swagbucks works is you just move the decimal place 2 places. So these Swagbucks for these wipes are 350 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to $3.50. So you're going to pay $1.98 and you're going to take away $3.50, and it's going to make it a moneymaker of $1.52 for these wipes, or a moneymaker of 76 cents per pack of wipes, but you must buy 2 packs of wipes for this to work. Let me know in the comments if you do download the Swagbucks app. Got another money maker on the Finish dishwasher tablets. This has been my favorite dishwasher tablets, and I'm stockpiling these. So this is on the Finish Ultimate, the gold pack. There's 11 of them, and they are $4.99 per pack. Even though it's a small pack, it's going to be a great deal. So you're going to use the $3 coupon on the Target app. That will come off at the register. So it's going to make it $1.99 at the register. Then you're going to submit your receipt for $3 back on IBOTTA. With the $3 coupon and the $3 back on IBOTTA, it's going to make the Finish tabs a moneymaker of $1.01. This is a great deal on the Clorox splashless bleach. And you must get this size because it's the smallest one that works. So, what you're going to do is you're going to pick up two of these. They are $3.99 each, but your total is going to be $7.98. You're going to submit your receipt to a Swagbucks for 550 Swagbucks or $5.50. Your total for both of them will be $2.48 or $1.24 each. Great deal on the Clorox splashless bleach. I am definitely going to pick this Aquaphor baby up to put in a baby shower gift that I have coming up soon. So the Aquaphor baby is $7.49. There are two offers on the Target app. One is for $3 off, and another one is for 15% off. 15% off is going to be about $1.12 on this Aquaphor. So you've got the $3 coupon, and then you've got the $1.12 off, which is going to make the baby Aquaphor just $3.37. Next deal is a total freebie. This is on the Airwick Scented Oil warmers. These are the warmer 2 packs. They are $3.79. This $4 coupon is attaching from the Target app, making this a money maker of 21 cents. Tide to go pens is always a good deal. So these Tide to go pens, the singles, are $3.59 each. There is a 25% off, which is going to come off at the register, and that's about 90 cents. That's going to come off at the register. Then you're going to head on over to Ibotta. There's a $1 back on Ibotta. So with the 25% off and the $1 back from Ibotta, it's going to make these Tide pens about $1.69 each. This is probably going to be my favorite deal of the day considering I don't feel very well. But this is on the Cepacol lozengers. They are $3.29 each. What you're going to do is you're going to pick up 2 packs or 2 boxes. Your total at the register is going to be $6.58. Then you'll get back $5 on because you picked up both of those, and your total will be $1.58 or about 79 cents per box. Always a great deal to stock up on stuff like this. Now, I've never tried this. This is this raw sugar like body wash, and I'm excited about it. So it's supposed to be $7.99. If you buy one, you get one 25% off. But we're gonna ignore all of that because we're not gonna pay $8 and we're not gonna be paying for the second one at 25% off. What you're gonna do is pick up two of them. You're gonna go to Walgreens and you're going to show at the register to the customer service person. They'll come and adjust the price for you. They'll price match. The lemon sugar body scrub at Walgreens is $4.79. So show them that. They'll price match it. It's going to make your total $9.58 after they price match both bottles. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back. It's going to make both bottles $4.58 or $2.29 each. Don't be afraid to price match. It's easily done. I do self checkout, and they'll just come over and they'll just change the price for you. Just show it to them from your phone. I just pull the Walgreens app up and show it to them. This is an okay deal on the big Easy Rinse razors. They're usually $6.99 each, but we're going to be getting these for just $2.57 per pack. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up 3 packs. Your total is going to be $20.97 at the register. Now there is this 25% off that can be done up to 6 times. So I'm going to go ahead and get that 25% off. So 25% off of 3 packs of razors is going to be about $5.25 that you're going to get off. Then you're going to head on over to Ibotta. There's an Ibotta rebate for $3 back. Now, this Ibotta rebate can only be done one time, which stinks. It could help it a lot more if it was a multiple one, but you can only do this Ibotta rebate one time, getting back $3. Then, because you're buying 3 packs, you're going to get back $5 in gift card. So, with the 25% off, the $5 back in gift card, and the Ibotta rebate, it's going to leave you to pay $7.72 for all 3 packs, or $2.57 per pack of the big Easy Rinse razors. The less expensive dish soap that I like is the Ajax Lemon Scent. It is $2.59 at Target. There are 2 offers. One is for 20% off, and the other one is for $1 off. 20% off is equivalent to about 50 cents, and then you'll get that dollar off as well. So that $1 and that 50 cents will come off at the register, leaving you to pay about $1.09 for the Ajax. In addition to that, there is a soft scrub duo cubes. I love these things because we have a toilet in our house that we don't use very often. And so this helps with the rings around the toilet. So these are $2.79 for the duo cubes. On Ibotta, there is a $1.50 back, making the duo cubes just $1.29. There are no coupons on the duo cubes for this one. Thank you guys for being patient with me in this video as I'm not feeling very well at all. Please let me know in the comments any amazing deals that I may have missed this week, because when I do start to feel better, I plan on going inside the store, inside of Target. I hope you guys have a blessed week and stay safe, keep well, and keep safe with all of this weather. I know there's snow up north and there's tornadoes down south. Have a blessed one. I'll see you guys in the next video.